Hello guys, welcome to the channel again, it's me Bosco. Today, we will be playing Google Feud. This game is very funny, many people play it. Mischief Gamer also play it, and I think that I need to play it as well. So I can choose a category. I think question is more easier. Is it fun to be a dog? Nah. Is to be a what am I gonna choose? Let's see, a YouTuber. It's gonna be a game. Gay, I think? No. Is that a girl? Oh, fuck, sorry. Barista, teacher, lawyer, player, cat! Fuck yeah, I just got dog, man. Alright, next round. Why do people fly? Why people sex? What is breastfeeding? Breastfeed. Ah, fuck. Young, strong, shit like small fuck, head vessel. Wow. That's awesome. Can you smoke weed? Can you smoke alcohol? Can you smoke crack? Oh, fuck's sake. Coke, morning, and mushroom, crust, steams, tea? I don't know what's this, man. So hard. I don't. Who is the first one in the world that go to the moon in the world? Monkey? Fuck this, and I skip it. For die, be born, have blue eyes, get drunk, get the tattoo? What? Fine. Why do they call it? That's kind of awful. Where's the song, man? What happening? Okay. Why do they call it? Skip this shit, man. Skip it all. This is so hard. The poop deck. BW3. Where can you sell a dog? A cat? Wife? Laptop, gun, tentacle card, gift card, phone, TV. Phone? Phone, you think so? Phone? Oh, come on, man, I get no score. Has there ever been fly? Sex? Skip this shit, man. Knife, bread with a cat? In space? Attacked by shark? What is all this? Does North Korea have... skip this one, man. Oh, not that answer, by the way. Does North Korea have... dog? Cat? Hash bomb? What? Nukes? I think I go names. Stephanie May. What? Stephanie May, right? A mid maker. Stephanie May. Fucking ass. What is the name? Power Mouse Samer? March? Miss Stephanie McMaken! Shit, so, come on, again. New Yorkers are fuck's sake, second asshole. Fuck this shit. Skip it all. Skip it all. Fuck this. Fuck this. People. I had a dream I was Luke Harper. Jedi. Break that. Fuck said no, not fuck. No. Okay, I go question. How do you fake a girl? Boy. Alien. Pregnancy. What? This is not good. Do fish ever... Fuck say, man. Do fish ever... fuck say, pragmatic? No, how to spell that, man? No, yeah. What? No, I don't care, man. A drone, sleep. Fish sleep. I could go in there, man. No, skip this. Fucking ass. Give me names that Harry. Skip this shit, man. Oh, Adam. Adam, I know this one. Livia. What? Fine, I cheat, okay? I cheat. Oh, I spell no the wrong Levine. Yes, Adam Levine, and maybe I think Adam Pitty. I think I remember that guy, Adam Pitty. Fuck's sake. Slev. Driver Sandor. Sally Scott. No name. Give me. Linda. Linda is from the Hyperdimension Neptune as a green guy. I know that guy with girl. Skip this shit, man. Skip it. I just got 9,000, man. 9,000. Daniel Bryan. Daniel Wong. Daniel Scott. I'll skip this. Craig Tosh Norwich Crack. I just know Daniel Bryan from WWE. Betty, fuck's sake. No, go to hell, go to hell. Give me a name that I know. Rough. No, I don't know what this is. I don't see a guy named that. Mary Selena Gomez. No. Fuck off. No, give me something that I fucking know. Jeremy, go hell. Stephen Mcken. I don't know how to spell that name. Fuck this, oh shit. Brain what? Brain your ass, man. Last one, Kevin Owen. What is Kevin Owen, man? He is so popular, man. Kevin Jen. Wow. Charles, no. Jennifer Lee. It's so goddamn fuck my ass, man. Fuck my ass. Fine. What? Douglas J. I just wow, 10,000, man. Woo. I just like that. Shit. I go with Central. Polar bear are big. Polar bear are white. Polar bear are live in cold mountain. What? Black? Polar? Oh no! Oh shit! I just got the wrong answer. Question. Last one. Why are cats? Why are cats sleep? Shit, man. So weird. Scared of Kugan better than dog. So lazy, no sweat, mean, so curious. This is not the answer, man. What if I lie on my parent? I lied to my dad, my mom. See college. See job creation. Okay, this is who makes the fucking ass shitting ass. What's number 1? Shit, you! Just keep skipping. What if you microwave dog? Cat? No, not cat! Shit! Oh, fuck's sake. Goat? No. I think horse. Last one, goat. Oh, metal and egg, spoon and iPhone. Wow. Okay, so guys, this end here. Thank you for watching this Google Field. This game is so funny. If you want to play this game, the description below. It's just a free game in the website game. So this end here. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, don't forget to subscribe me. I will see you in the next video upload. Bye bye.